now we read about the first speaker of negative content. Ito, a first speaker from affirmative team said in the smartphone there is many content about the form and other. But the first speaker from negative team thought that if the parents can survive, if the son can survive the son, must they must in their phone not the phone nothing the negative content. Hey, once more. The first people of negative content, the government will run the examination, must run the examination, and now examination run with paper. He thought that the examination like that will just with paper. But now, how about with the school in the village? In the village, we know together, as we know together. In the village, still meaning technology or computer. So I think so. Now, I disagree with their argument. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I make my argument. Ethnically, it's very easily to access internet. We can access them from the phone, laptop, or computer, and we now together in general, a student, especially senior high school, I believe they must have phone by themselves. It means easily they want to access internet whenever they want and whatever they want to open. Okay, I show the internet have more harm than good. That's why I very agree with this motion. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I have some point here about bad impact of internet for students, especially for senior high school. For the first, internet can make them be addicted to this media and then make them be lazy to do something that is important for them. So, example, the student busy with this internet media and then forward what is important for them to do, such as to pray, to reading Holy Quran, and other. To have the parents also. And the second, it will spend their money.